Hi everybody. So I am doing my trunk club introduction a little bit different tonight because well, number one, I don't have any makeup on because I've been at work all day, and I wanted to show you this trunk. Like, it's so petite and tiny. Like, look, bloop. It's so cute. And I'm so glad that it is not as ginormous as my last one. So I'm going to take everything out of the packaging before I kind of show you what's in here and do this trunk club unboxing a little bit different, because my other one, it was so long because you take everything out of the package and, you know, it's just what it is. So, yeah. If you don't know, Trunk Club is a clothing subscription box from Nordstrom, and it's a $25 styling fee. So I learned, look at this bundle. Let's check this out here. Looks like a pretty good bundle. There is one pair of shoes in here. Last time I got like 2 pairs of boots, and that's probably why my trunk was so big. But it comes with this cute little tie on it, which I really like. It's all nicely bundled up for you. And then this is your paperwork right here. So that's what that looks like in there. And you send everything back via UPS. It comes via UPS, and then you send it back UPS. And you put it all back in this dandy little box here. And it has like new tape tabs. Okay, so let's just see here how that goes. All right, so we've got some pretty good looking stuff in here. Y'all, I've got to do something about those nails. They are horrendous. All right, so that's some of the stuff that is in the trunk, and I'm going to take it all out of the packaging and do the try on and see how it goes. All right, hope y'all don't mind that this is how I did my opening, but if one more thing, if you don't know, my name is Miranda, and welcome to my channel. This is Doing Life with Miranda. I do all kinds of unboxings, weight loss journey for low carb and keto, and also I do some vlogging as well. So welcome to my channel. If you are not a current subscriber, I hope that you will consider subscribing. Alrighty, I'm going to go and take all this stuff out of the bags, and I'll see you in a little bit. Alright, first 2 items are the Wit and Wisdom jeggings. They fit really good. They've got good stretch in them. I think they fit my hips and my hiney pretty good. So, and they're pretty good length. They're a little bit long, but usually they are. If I find a pair of jeans or pants that aren't too long, then it's a miracle. All right, and then this lace detailed shirt, I just put a white cami under. I don't know why. It keeps going out of focus, so I'm sorry about that. But it is a little snug, like, I feel like in the chest area, just a little bit. And it's shorter than what I normally wear. But let's see if I can get a close-up of the detail here for you. It's got a banded sleeve and a band around the bottom. Alright, this is the sweater by Halogen with the ribbon detail on the back. It is a little bit short, but that is just my comfort thing. I don't think in the camera, I can't see where it looks too bad. And it's got the ribbon in the back there. Hopefully you can see that. Alright. It's really, really soft. It's It's a great material, and it's a soft sweater without being itchy. And if it's not itchy, that is always a great thing. A lot of times sweaters can be itchy, and I don't like that. All right, so there's the back of it. This may be the worst try on I've ever done. It has to go back today, and I'm trying to do it kind of quietly because he's sleeping and snoring right over there. Alrighty. Alrighty, even though I wouldn't wear all these together, this is the blazer. It's got one button close here. It is thick. And it's thick in the shoulders as well, and this kind of bothers me a little bit. It comes out. Excuse me. So I'll take that off. Put that in the box there. Then we have the Billabong long sleeve window pane shirt, size large. I believe they sent me. It is really soft. It's a great material. And probably more of a front tucked kind of shirt. I'm just not there yet with my weight loss, so that is my goal. I said when I could do a front tuck in my shirt and feel comfortable and not, then I would maybe be done with my weight loss journey. I don't really have a number in mind. All right, and then these are the Wit and Wisdom jeans. And they fit really good. They have the frayed hem on the bottom there. Alrighty, we have a couple more shirts to try on, and I need to put those shoes on. Alright, basic black long sleeve shirt. Nothing real fancy. It's just a black shirt, but it does feel nice. What else do you say about a basic black long sleeve shirt? But I like it. Okay, this is the something navy top. It is very flowy in the arms. Almost too flowy, I think, for me. I really don't know how I feel about it. For you, but it is buttoned down all the way, and it has these ruffles on the sleeves here. All right. I don't know. It is a nice material though. This is the blush colored sequin top with the flutter sleeve, and I can tell you already this is definitely a no, because it is very scratchy. Like the sequins on the sleeves are really scratchy. So I know that I won't keep this. And I have something on under it so I can't feel the sequins underneath on the shirt part, but I can on my bare arms. So there's the flutter sleeve, and then I can just feel all that underneath, and I don't like that. last two items are this blouse with the tie front. I don't know how I feel about it. It's kind of scratchy, actually. The material feels scratchy. And I think my hind end is too big still. I don't. Alright. I don't think I'm a fan of this one either. I just don't think it, I mean, I don't mind a tie front, but if it was just tie and not like this peplum, I would like it a lot better, I think. My hind end, I still got some booty back here. And I had all boys, so probably my mama is right and that may never go away. All right, and then I have the shoes. I'll see if I can bend y'all down enough. So here are the Naturalizer shoes. They are really cute and they're comfy. So I like these a lot. Alrighty, I'll be right back for the recap. Alrighty, so I changed where I was doing the recap because there's snoring going on and I just couldn't take it anymore. I guess that's real life really, but it was just, I can only handle so much and I'm just not used to somebody being in my space while I'm trying to do try-ons and unboxings for you. So if it was a little bit misjointed or you know, just an odd video, my apologies. I did the best that I could with what I was working with all of the extra noise and somebody being in my space. If you are another YouTuber, you'll probably understand. All right, I'll try to post either here or somewhere the total prices of everything because the trunk club does not tell you what the total is, and it doesn't matter for me. I'm not going to keep everything. I'm probably going to end up keeping the long sleeve black shirt. Just it's your basic shirt. I do like the other two items I told you were maybe, so I have to decide really quick what I'm going to keep. All right, I hope everybody has a great day. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider doing that, hitting the bell for the notifications of when my lovely, disjointed, crazy videos come out. And also share with your friends. Instagram. Don't forget about Instagram. The link for that is down below in the description. All right. I hope everybody has a wonderful, fantabulous day. Please stay warm